At UNC Kenan-Flagler, we are a community driven to succeed. A community dedicated to making a difference in the lives of those around us, both close to home and around the world. The UNC Kenan-Flagler Business School is a place where boundaries are pushed, where classmates become lifelong friends and colleagues, and where every experience gives you the skills, knowledge, and confidence to thrive in the business world. We are a family like no other. We invite you to become part of the collaborative, supportive culture only Carolina can offer. Tar Heels work together with a confidence that brings out our best and the best in others.
So what are we thinking?
We should potentially look at their competitors.
They've been increasing their earnings quarter over quarter.
However, I am seeing a drop in revenue back to $9.6 billion.
Heels on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Heels!
I recommend the wall. You guys think?
That's exactly what I was speaking about.
How many shares?
We bought 5. Wow.
With Kenan-Flagler, you'll stay relevant
We're going to kick off with Dr. Rady's lecture this week.
no matter where your career takes you. Your impact will be felt next month, next year, and for decades to come. UNC Kenan-Flagler, business for life.